new law, some worried about neighbors overstepping their boundaries when it comes to other people's property.
It's called the Good Neighbor Law. It allows you to go onto your neighbor's property and clean it up. While it could do some good, others fear it will do more harm, mostly to property rights. 41 Action's reporter Nick Starling explains.
Problem properties and abandoned houses are sprinkled throughout Kansas City's east side, and it could use a makeover.
Now we're able to actually help our community more or less, I feel like.
Patricia Hernandez lives in the Indian Mound neighborhood and says this new law is a game changer for them.
It'll be extremely useful for neighborhoods such as ours. Before, our hands were a little bit more tied, and now we are able to attract people who more or less wouldn't be able to afford a home.
This law allows neighborhood organizations to clean up trash, mow the grass, and tidy up abandoned houses on private property.
The opportunity to really take some action if people so desire is important.
Diane Cleaver works with several urban core neighborhoods and says the eyesores attract more problems to the neighborhoods.
We have some of our vacancies where the weeds and so forth are so tall and trees. People get back and set up a little squatter camp. That's actually happened on some properties and is happening.
However, the city says while the intention is good, there's a few red flags.
We're dealing with private property, someone else's property. And when you're dealing with private property, there are a lot of hidden pratfalls that are there, and some that are obviously very prevalent.
Such as an injury happening if someone were to clean up someone's yard. City spokesman John Bacala says while this law says a lawsuit can't be filed from doing this neighborly thing,
but anymore people sue over hangnails. So we're not so sure that even though that provision is in the law, that it's going to hold up.
While it's a battle over property rights and being a good neighbor, everybody wants the same goal of sprucing up these problem properties.
Hopefully we can hit a lot more of those problem homes now that we're going to have a little bit more legality, I guess, not holding us back.
This law affects 4 places in Missouri: Kansas City, Independence, St. Louis, and St. Louis County. It takes effect next Wednesday, August 28th. Reporting live in Kansas City, Nick Starling, 41 Action News.